Step into your backyard and leave the ordinary behind. Welcome to a realm where nature's raw beauty meets human ingenuity. Imagine a landscape where every stone tells a story, where tranquility dances with creativity, and where your outdoor sanctuary becomes a canvas for timeless artistry. Today, we are embarking on a journey through 15 captivating ways to transform your outdoor space with enchanting allure of stone. From the rugged elegance of nature boulders to the whimsical charm of stone sculptures. Get ready to discover how stone landscaping can elevate your outdoor living experience to new heights of beauty and serenity. Number 1. The timeless allure of natural stone. Have you ever been captivated by the rugged elegance of a granite boulder or the intricate patterns of a slate tile? Natural stone is more than just a building material. It's a testament to the earth's raw beauty and enduring strength. Incorporating natural stone into your landscaping not only adds visual appeal but also creates a connection to the natural world. Number 2. Enhancing your outdoor living experience. Imagine lounging on a sun-warmed patio crafted from natural flagstone, surrounded by lush greenery and gentle rustle of leaves. Stone landscaping isn't just about aesthetics, it's about enhancing your outdoor living experience. Number 3. Creating tranquil retreats with water features. Close your eyes and imagine the soothing melody of water cascading over smooth river rocks. Punctuated by the occasional splash of a playful fountain. Stone water features add a sense of serenity to any outdoor space, transforming a mundane backyard into a tranquil retreat. Number 4. Designing inviting pathways and walkways. Picture yourself wandering along a winding stone pathway. The soft crunch of gravel beneath your feet and the scent of blooming flowers filling the air. Stone pathways aren't just functional, they are an invitation to explore and discover the hidden corners of your garden. From elegant cobblestone walkways to rustic stepping stones, the possibilities are endless when it comes to designing inviting pathways that beckon you to wander and linger a while. Number 5. Adding depth and dimensions with retaining walls. Have you ever admired the way a well-crafted stone retaining wall adds depth and dimension to a sloping landscape? Retaining walls aren't just structural elements, they're works of art that seamlessly blend form and function. Number 6. Embracing the versatility of stone pavers. From classic cobblestones to sleek modern pavers, stone offers a versatility that is unmatched by any other landscaping material. Stone pavers can be used to create everything from inviting patios to practical pathways. allowing you to tailor your outdoor space to suit your unique style and needs. Number 7. Adding drama with dramatic rock gardens. Rock gardens aren't just for alpine landscape. They are versatile landscaping features that can add drama and interest to any outdoor space. Imagine a cascading waterfall framed by rugged boulders and delicate ferns. Number 8. Crafting cozy outdoor fireplaces and fire pits. There is something undeniably magical about gathering around a crackling fire on a cool evening, surrounded by the warmth and glow of flickering flames. Stone fireplaces and fire pits provide the perfect focal point for outdoor entertaining, creating a cozy gathering spot where friends and family can come together to share stories and create memories. Number 9. Incorporating artistic stone sculptures and features. Why settle for ordinary when you can elevate your outdoor space with artistic stone sculptures and features? From elegant statues to whimsical water features, stone art adds a touch of personality and flair to any landscape. Number 10. Sustainable and eco-friendly landscaping solutions. In an age of increasing environmental awareness, sustainable and eco-friendly landscaping solutions are more important than ever. Luckily, stone landscaping offers a multitude of benefits beyond its aesthetical appeal. Number 11. Enhancing privacy with stone walls. Imagine enjoying a quiet moment in your backyard, shielded from the prying eyes of neighbors and passersby by a towering stone wall. Stone walls aren't just practical, they're also a stylish way to enhance privacy and create a sense of seclusion in your outdoor space. Number 12. Adding whimsy with stone sculptures and statues. Inject a sense of whimsy and playfulness into your outdoor space with charming stone sculptures and statues. Let your imagination run wild and choose pieces that reflect your unique sense of style and humor. Number 13. Creating intimate gathering spaces with stone seating. Transform your backyard into an inviting oasis for entertaining and relaxation with the addition of stone seating areas. Whether it's a cozy stone bench nestled beneath the shade of a tree or a spacious stone patio with built-in seating. Number 14. Adding character with stone accents and borders. Elevate the visual appeal of your landscape with the addition of stone accents and borders that add texture, contrast, and character to your outdoor space. Whether it's a decorative stone border framing a flower bed or a whimsical stepping stone paths meandering through the garden, stone accents are a versatile and stylish way to enhance the beauty of your landscape. Infuse your outdoor space with rustic charm and architectural interest by incorporating stone arbors and trellises into your landscape design. These elegant structures not only provide support for climbing plants and vines, but also serve as a focal points that draw the eye and add vertical dimension to your garden. Conclusion: the possibilities for transforming your outdoor space with stone landscaping are truly endless. From the timeless allure of natural stone to the functional beauty of retaining walls and the whimsical charm of stone sculptures. There is something for every taste and style. By embracing stone landscaping, you are not only enhancing the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space, but also creating a sanctuary where you can connect with nature, relax, and create lasting memories with loved ones. So why wait? Let's embark on this journey together and turn your backyard into a stunning outdoor oasis with enduring beauty of stone.